In today you will learn how to color grade like Cinematic using Photoshop. But in this tutorial I'm only guide you to Cinematic color grade. In next videos you can know about all the other features in Camera Raw. If you don't know about Camera Raw or how to enable that, you can check it out from this pop-up. That was really awesome. So without any further ado, let's get started.
First step, collecting the sources. First you can download this cinematic film look file and the source file from the description's download link. Then you can copy this file. Second step, apply the relevant changes. And you can go to this PC and go to local disk C, and you can go to users, PC, and in this folder you cannot see the app data file is available. Then you can go to view and tick these hidden items. Then you can see the app data file is available. Then you can open this file with a couple of clicks and go to roaming, Adobe, then go to Camera Raw, then go to settings. Then you can paste that copied file. Third step, edit with Photoshop. Then you can open Photoshop. After open Photoshop, you can import you like photo. So I use that source JPG. Then go to filter and get the Camera Raw filter. Then you can go to the presets, and then you can see your pre-installed free build cinematic film look file is available. By hovering this cinematic film look, you can get like this preview. If you get out from the hover, you can see the before image. This is after image. You can click on it and go to basic. Then you can adjust it manually using these settings. If you want to increase some export, contracts or others, you can improve that and get a super quality image. So this is my before image, this is my after image result. You can see the differences between both of them. Then I will increase some vibrance. Okay, that's enough. Then I press on OK to open that image. So this is before, this is after that. So after we can get this type of result. And this, if you can see in the before image, you can see a yellow color is available, but in this new cinematic look, the yellow color is removed smoothly. You can get a smooth image like that. And that's how, my friends, let's color grade like cinematic using Camera Raw filter in Photoshop. We did it by using a Camera Raw preset from the link in the description. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give a like. Also, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bells to get any other feature like tip, trick or tutorial. So we will see in another interesting video with more new stuff, and see you again on TECHEX.